The construction industry is constantly evolving, with new and innovative technologies being developed to improve the efficiency, safety, and sustainability of the construction process. With the increasing focus on environmental sustainability, building efficiency, and cost-effectiveness, it has become more important than ever to embrace new and innovative construction techniques. In this video, we will explore some of the latest construction techniques, including Bolox BQS, Sidepipe, Hybris, and others to catch up later. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned till the end of the video to know how the amazing places of future cities are being built. These techniques offer unique advantages, including increased efficiency, reduced energy consumption, improved durability, and enhanced sustainability. Let's dive in and discover the latest construction techniques that are changing the industry. Starting with Sidepipe. Sidepipe is a revolutionary construction technology that is designed to eliminate the need for traditional sewer and drainage systems. The system involves the installation of a series of pipes on the side of a building, which is used to collect and transport wastewater away from the building. The Sidepipe system is highly efficient and cost-effective, as it eliminates the need for expensive excavation and drainage installation. It is also ideal for buildings in densely populated areas, where traditional sewer systems are not feasible. Moving on to the next, Hybris. Hybris is a new and innovative construction technology that involves the use of a combination of materials, including insulation, plaster, and reinforced mesh, to create a highly durable and energy-efficient building envelope. The system offers excellent insulation, soundproofing, and fire resistance properties. One of the significant advantages of the Hybris system is its ability to adapt to the specific needs of a building. The system can be customized to meet the specific insulation and acoustic requirements of a building, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. Now this is one of my favorites, Steinfix. Steinfix is a construction technology that uses special connectors to attach natural stone cladding to a building. The system eliminates the need for traditional mechanical anchors, which can be time-consuming and expensive to install. The Steinfix system is highly efficient and cost-effective, reducing the time and labor required to install natural stone cladding. The system is also highly durable and weather-resistant, ensuring that the building maintains its aesthetic appeal for many years to come. On to the next, Bolox BQS. Bolox BQS is a high-performance external wall insulation system that is ideal for both new and existing buildings. The system consists of several layers: a thermal insulation layer, a reinforcing layer, a decorative layer, and a protective layer. The system is easy to install and offers excellent insulation, weather resistance, and durability. One of the significant advantages of the Bolox BQS system is its ability to reduce energy consumption, leading to lower heating and cooling costs. The system is also environmentally friendly, as it reduces carbon emissions and contributes to the overall sustainability of the building. Coming on to the next one, Prefabricated Panels. Prefabricated panels are manufactured off-site and then transported to the construction site for assembly. This technique saves construction time and reduces the amount of waste generated during the construction process. Prefabricated panels are also ideal for creating uniform and consistent finishes for a building. The prefabricated panels can be made from different materials, such as wood, concrete, and steel. This technique is ideal for constructing buildings quickly and efficiently, including hotels, apartments, and commercial buildings. Next on the list is Ventakrov. Ventakrov is a construction technology that involves the installation of a specially designed roof system that provides excellent ventilation and thermal insulation properties. The system consists of a series of air channels that allow for the circulation of air, reducing the risk of moisture buildup and condensation. The Ventakrov system is highly efficient and cost-effective, as it reduces the need for traditional insulation and ventilation systems. The system is also environmentally friendly, as it reduces energy consumption and contributes to the overall sustainability of the building. Here comes the last one for today: sound insulation. Sound insulation is a construction technology that involves the use of special materials to reduce the transmission of sound between different areas of a building. The system is ideal for buildings in noisy environments, such as airports, train stations, and busy city centers. The sound insulation system is highly efficient and cost-effective, as it reduces the amount of noise that enters a building, leading to a more comfortable and productive environment. The system is also highly customizable, allowing it to be adapted to the specific needs of a building. The construction industry is constantly evolving, with new and innovative technologies being developed to improve the efficiency, safety, and environmental sustainability of the construction process. Each technique offers unique advantages, including increased efficiency, reduced energy consumption, improved durability, and enhanced sustainability. As the demand for more efficient, environmentally sustainable buildings continues to grow, it is likely that we will see even more innovative construction techniques emerge in the coming years. By embracing these new technologies, we can build better, safer, and more sustainable buildings that will meet the needs of future generations. Well, this brings an end to our video, but we will come back with some new and interesting videos of future in the future. Till then, make sure that you like our video, and do share your views and opinions with us in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel New World Tech to get tech videos from us regularly, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.